So this is the finished look of this unit, and how are we liking it? Y'all, first of all, I did not buy this wig. My man surprised me with this freaking wig, and I'm appalled because you know how men don't pay attention to like small details about things that you're talking about? He paid attention. He gets his brownie points for real. So let's get into the specs of this unit. So today I have on a Outre wig, and this is part of their Airtied collection. Now with this collection, it does have a human hair blend, and it is 100% fully hand tied. So Outre, y'all did y'all thing with this. I will say y'all did y'all thing. I know y'all been seeing stuff on social media about this wig. Like, I have been raving about this wig, and I didn't even get it yet, okay? I know I wanted to order it, but I didn't know what color I wanted to get. But long and behold, my man just ordered it for me, and he ordered the color that I have right now is a ginger brown. It's a DRF ginger brown. When I tell you guys, this color is so beautiful in person. Like, looking at it in camera doesn't do it justice. Look how the highlights are with this unit. I like how it's not too much of a ginger brown. Usually it's a little bit more orange and turns into like a copper brown like my shirt. But this unit is, the color, it eats down so bad. Like, the style that I have is an Hhb-Sleek Yaki, and it's in 20 inches. And this is perfect. Like, for summer, I don't want to have like a long wig that's down my butt. Like, I do not want that. This wig is like the perfect length, and it really just looks like my natural hair, honestly. Like, it looks like I just got a silk press. Now with this unit, it is a 13x6 as well. So it's 13 inches in the front, and then 6 inches down parting space in the back. Lace is very seamless. It's not like thick or anything like that. It's very seamless and light. This wig, as soon as I pulled it out of the packaging, I just felt how lightweight it is. It's very different from Outre's other wigs. Those ones were a little bit more heavier, but this one, lightweight. It has a breathable mesh cap, so it's very comfortable, and on those hot days you can wear this wig and your scalp won't be sweaty. Mesh cap, 100% hair tied, and it is also track free. So you know how like when you had a wig for like a little bit and you start wearing it and you're wearing it out and you brush it and you start to feel like the track coming out? You will not experience that with this wig. Like, this wig, I want to show you guys. There is no tracks. Literally, there is no tracks. And I love that so much because it gives you more room to just do different styles for yourself. Now this unit does come pre-plucked, and it has smaller knots. What I like to do is, usually when I get 13x6 lace wigs now, I like to pre-pluck it to my natural hairline. So I would just pluck it on my mannequin head, and I have my hairline carved out on it, and I'll just pluck it to my natural hairline. You don't have to do that, but that's what I did. And this is how it looks. It
have a little bit of a widow's peak, so I wanted to incorporate that into this unit as well as I wear it, and I feel like it looks more natural. It looks like I said before, it looks like I got a silk press. So this wig also does experience a little bit of shedding, but when you get synthetic wigs, even if it does have a human hair blend, it's going to shed. That is bound to happen. Only sheds a little bit. It's not too much. Like when I rake my fingers through it, it's not shedding, but usually when I do brush it, it does, a little bit of the hairs do come out, and that's completely fine. In my next video, I am going to be styling this unit, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be linking this wig down below for you guys if you would like to purchase it. It's going to be in my description box, so look out for that. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my channel, into my videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.